Welcome back to video tutorial series on Selenium WebDriver with Java programming. Today we are going to learn how we can make modular our coding, our programming, how we can make it more robust, more clean coding, more beautiful, and more modular. Modular programming, modular coding, modular test script writing is an art. Okay, um, not every software test automation engineer can do it. Only very few can make their programming modular. Alright, today we will see a small example of modular programming. Okay, before um, before we go to make our code modular, let's see what does modular coding or programming means. Let's go to Google and let me write here modular programming. Let's see. Modular programming is the process of subdividing a computer program, and computer program is just a set of instructions that is separate subprograms. A module is a separate software component. It can often be used in a variety of applications and functions with other components of the system. Okay, what is modularity? What is a modular application? Let's see. A modular application is an application that is divided into a set of loosely coupled functional units named modules that can be integrated into larger application. A client module encapsulates a portion of application's overall functionality and typically represents a set of related concerns. Now, modular programming is a software design technique that emphasizes separating the functionality of a program into independent, interchangeable modules such that each contains everything necessary to execute only one aspect of the desired functionality. Let us see some images. Main program, module, the function, another function. Module 2, function, another function. Okay. Now, excuse me, modular programming. Let's see by example, by doing. Okay. So we go back to our project. Can you remember? In the last uh, previous 6 small video tutorial, we did program or codes or write the test scripts step by step. All right. Now we are going to make this programming codes modular. Okay. We will subdivide the components. Okay. And set component by component, module by module, and make it more clean coding, more robust, more beautiful. Okay. How we can do it? Let's see. This is inside the static void main method, right? Inside the main method, okay? And inside the class, of course, and if we go here, this is even inside the class. This is class, end of class, okay? So I'm writing here and creating 3 sets of functions, okay? How I can create functions. Excuse me. I will show you step by step. You have to be very attentive if you want to understand it. Very simple concept, but it might seem a little complicated if you are watching for the first time, but if you watch for the second time, third time, it will be very simple and very easy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write public static void, and I will set browsers. Browser, okay, set browser. It can be browsers also if you want to um, use a couple of browsers to run the test. Okay, set, and I'll just copy this and paste twice. So I'm creating 3 functions. Okay, and I name it set browser config, or I can just say browser config. And I name it just run tests. Run tests, okay? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it modular, okay? We instantiate browser. We can just explain it. We can say this is number 2 and creating object for WebDriver. WebDriver is class. Okay, then we 3 navigate to application that we test. Then we can say in for we manage the window. Okay, then we can say we find elements elements of all this. Okay, then I'll say 6. I'll say print the title and 7 close and quit the driver. Okay, so for your better understanding, I just write the steps. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this, okay, I just copy and cut it and put it here. Okay, I paste it and I just set the browser here. I'll say string and browser is equal to its Chrome. I set the browser as Chrome. Okay, then and actually I can come up to here. Then what I can do, I can just copy actually it should be why it didn't go. Okay, just copy, oh my goodness, copy and just paste here, creating object for driver class. Okay, then I'm going to copy the whole script. We already took it. This one will go to the run tests section. Okay, so we are making it modular. How I'm doing it, just watch it and try to understand. All right, we are almost done. Now you can see this drivers is not accessible because this has become now local variable. Okay, so to get access, what we have to do is we have to set them as global. So how I can set it global? I can say static static and it will be string browser. So browser become global. Now browser become global. So I can now just delete the string from here. All right, and we can set also static WebDriver class as global as driver, and now you see this driver and all driver is now accessible. Okay, you see all are connected now. Since we set it global, you can also delete the WebDriver. Okay, now you see this driver is accessible to all this driver, and all driver is connected now with this driver. Okay, now you see uh, this codes has become more beautiful and more cleaner than previous codes. Okay, so now if you look at the codes, you will find it becomes more clean coding or programming, and we even set everything module by module. You see, so in the main method, okay, we don't have anything right now. So what we will do, we will just copy all the method here, set browser and browser config. Okay, because function, we create functions run when they are called only. Okay, so now we have to call the function, these three functions, where in the main method. Okay, and let's execute the test now. It has become robust, modular. This is one module, this is another module, okay, and this is another module. Even we can run them separately. It's unbelievable, right? Now just run the test from here and see what happens. You see, it's invoking the browser, navigating to bankofamerica.com, passing the parameters, okay, clicking on sign in, and everything successfully done. Alright, you see, the title of the application is Bank of America Online Banking, forgot online ID and passcode. The test successfully completed. So this is the beauty of modular coding, modular programming, or programming modular. Okay, it looks more clean, more robust, and beautiful. Alright, now we also learn how to make our codes and programs are modular. Okay, and from now on, if you understand this video tutorial series from tutorial 1 to 7, now you have a very strong background on basic Selenium WebDriver with Java programming. And if you understand it, now you can move forward with page object model, page object modeling. You can now understand TestNG. You can understand even the higher level of um, frameworks like BDD Cucumber. Okay, so thank you very much, and I invite you to join more tutorials in future, and definitely if you think it's helpful for you, share with your friends and family. Put likes, comments, suggestion, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Remember, you can reach us using the Gmail address codingandtestingdaily@gmail.com or 21minuteschool@gmail.com. Thank you very much and we want to keep our video short and sweet within 21 minutes. Thank you.